This 2025 Grand Design Solitude 380FL is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, 73127 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Oklahoma City. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Grand Design is 41 feet 4 inches in length and features sleep 6, smoke detector, air conditioning, water heater, awning, carbon monoxide detector, stovetop burner, leveling jacks, refrigerator, LP detector, slide-out, and 81 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front entertainment, front living area, kitchen island, mid-kitchen, rear bath, rear bedroom. The unloaded weight of this 2025 Grand Design Solitude 380FL is 14,866 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.